Flex Polisher. The next device we're going to talk about will be useful for people who want their car to be always in perfect condition. Of course, there are many different polishers on the market. Today, we will talk about the products offered by the German company Flex. This polisher can be used for body repairs. In this case, it'll be useful for sanding the surface and restoring the paintwork. If no repair is required, the device can be used to polish the car's surface to a shine. The advantage of these models lies in the fact that they're wireless, compact, and relatively light. All of this offers more opportunities and makes the device easier to use. Some models are equipped with a counterweight for smooth running. Others have a low-speed mode of polishing with high torque to work with heat-sensitive surfaces. Deltran Portable 12V. Here we have a gadget that can make changing a wheel much easier. This is a portable hydraulic jack from Deltran. Don't let its small size fool you. It's been especially designed to fit into the trunk of even the smallest cars, but it can lift cars, pickups, and even SUVs. The Deltran Portable 12V has a load capacity of 3 tons. However, it doesn't require any human effort. All you have to do is place the jack in the right position and press the button. An important feature is the safety mechanism. If the jack is disconnected from the power supply, it locks in place. This means that you don't have to worry about your own safety, as well as the safety of the car. You can buy this jack for $76. Automatic. Despite its size, today's last gadget is a smart and fully functional helper on the road. The device connects to the car and then works by pairing with the mobile app. While driving, Automatic gathers different information, from speed and fuel consumption to the driving style of the driver. Based on this data, the gadget gives you advice how to spend less fuel. The fact is that gasoline consumption does not depend only on the miles driven. A huge number of factors are taken into account, such as the acceleration of the car or how often you brake. If you're doing something wrong, Automatic will tell you about it using a sound signal. So, gradually the user will change their driving style for the better. The gadget will give you an assessment every time you go for a ride. People with the highest scores will save a few hundred liters of fuel per year. Automatic also notifies the driver about technical problems, and it also allows you to always know where your car is. It costs about $100. Karcher EDI 4. People living in countries with harsh winters know just how hard it can be to remove ice from your car windows. This, however, needs to be done regularly, as poor visibility can affect the safety of all road users. Fortunately today, you can buy this small device to solve this problem. EDI 4 from Karcher is an electric ice scraper. It has a rotating disc and 6 sturdy plastic blades. Their unique design makes it possible to remove even hard ice crusts. All you have to do is run the scraper along the surface without any pressure or effort. The ice will then disappear as if by magic. The device is tiny, so the charge will be enough to clean your windows a couple of times. However, it doesn't take long to charge. If the rotating disc becomes dull, you can easily replace it as well. No tools will be needed, and the price starts at $56. Philips GoPure. The average person spends about 10 hours in their car every week. At times, you have to put up with unpleasant smells inside the vehicle. Stale air in the car often consists of different bad smells. Of course, there are air purifiers, but they aren't very effective. That's why Philips has developed its own product to combat bad odors. GoPure is small and unremarkable, but it does its job more than successfully. It removes more than 99% of odors, harmful gases, smoke, bacteria, dust, and pollen from the air. The 3-stage filter guarantees a great performance. GoPure only needs a few minutes to clean the air. However, there is a high-power mode to clean the air even faster. The manufacturer offers 3 models differing in size, capacity, and some additional features. The fancy model can even scent the air. The price starts at $200. The ISSE Tire Snow Socks. Winter is a dangerous time for drivers. Snow and ice can significantly make it harder to drive, and this eventually can lead to an accident. Special snow chains help to maintain an optimal level of safety on the road. It's noteworthy that they can have different designs and appearances. These, for example, are made of textile. The thick layer of fabric covers the entire surface of the tire. Most of all, this textile looks like a cover. However, you don't have to worry about durability and reliability. That's because the fabric is woven with metal threads that significantly increase its strength. And there's another advantage. Unlike traditional chains, snow socks are silent and ensure a smooth running of the car. While driving, you feel as if you were driving on a dry, clean road without any chains. The installation is simple and doesn't take more than a couple of minutes, and the price starts at $52. Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. Can you imagine a gadget that's no larger than the palm of your hand, but can fix a flat tire in seconds? Well, you don't have to, because you're seeing it on your screen right now. The Norshire Mini Tire Inflator can be stored in the glove compartment. It's so small that you could even carry it in your jeans pocket. All you need to do in order to inflate the tire is connect the device to it and press the button. The display makes it easier to use. You can see the remaining charge and monitor the power level. You can charge it using your car lighter socket too. The Norshire Mini Tire Inflator can also be used to inflate bicycle tires. You can even inflate a ball or a toy. The price starts at $50. Battery Tender Jump Starter. The manufacturers of this jump starter made a very bold statement. According to them, with this device, you'll be ready for almost anything that can happen on the road. If your car battery is dead, this jump starter will help you start the engine and get to a repair shop. The main advantage of this particular model lies in its compact size. It's no bigger than a smartphone, so it can be stored even in the glove compartment. But that's not all. Despite its size, the capacity of this device is impressive, so you can use it as a power bank. It can be equipped with a USB cable or used as a wireless charging station. Finally, Battery Tender can also be used as a flashlight. All of this for only $110.